going on, everybody? Welcome to Sober Singles Travel Channel, where Sailor and I go out and find new adventures once a week. We've been traveling around for the last 5 years together, finding all kinds of new excitement where it's a little bit of money or it could cost a lot of money. But we also get to go out and have a lot of fun while we're sober. Another new adventure, whether we're camping, whether we're fishing, whether we're hunting, whether we're hiking, or we're going to a faraway state like even Alaska, even in our home state, Florida, where there is so much outdoor activities to do. It doesn't mean you bike ride, go to a flea market. This stuff doesn't cost much. And if you're just getting your life started, it's amazing. If you're thinking about sobriety, I'd highly suggest it.